wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey friends, so me and my stained robe and my hair and my sleepy eyes and my tea and my iPad and all the things. I just wanted to open up the vlog by saying hello. Thank you for spending time with me today. It's Saturday and I've been putting a lot of emphasis on like how my days flow and the things that I'm giving my energy to and my time to, and making sure that it's charging me and not draining me, and also preparing myself so that my brain does not have to think as hard. Okay, the less my brain has to make decisions and remember things through the course of the day, the better. Hence me sitting down and planning out my day this morning. I'm gonna sit here for about 5 more minutes in silence and enjoy my beautiful view and drink my tea, and then I'm gonna get moving because I'm gonna be moving for a while. So I'm just trying to enjoy these few moments of calmness right now. Thank you guys for taking some time to spend the day with me, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Here, but the bottom's gonna unravel, so I'm gonna use my silk scrunchie and just do that. It ain't that cute, but it's out the way. All right, it's time for, oh, I need to whack. Oh man, shh. Not everything can be aesthetic, okay? All right, let's go to class.
She what? Yeah. A real pig heart? A real cook. You did? No, like on stage. Oh, on stage? I'm like, you did? On stage! On stage, and I was like...
Yeah.
And then get into your hips. Yep. And let go.
Because you're new.
You let go of the top. Actually, that's here. What's the leg space? Yeah, there you go. Yep. Exactly. Yes. So if you want, you can. But I see it. So as you turn and press through, keep turning your. Because you're keeping them out here. You're not rotating them here. You're just trying to lock it here, which is why
We got, oh my God, I always do that. We have 22%. Let's see if we can make it through a weekend haul, okay? This is gonna look like a lot because it is, but I didn't get all of the shit today. Some of the stuff I got yesterday. So let's start with yesterday's stuff. Yesterday, Sephora. I've been doing a really good job of only buying things when I run out of the things that I have, and I'm very proud of myself, and I deserve a lot of credit for that because I am a recovered product junkie. Okay, hair and skin. But this is all skin. So I had to. I am in love with her body butter, so I had to get the lotion. I went ahead, I ran out of my toner, so I figured let's try Fat Water again. I liked it. I didn't like, I'm very indifferent about toners. It's a toner. Oh, I got a gift. Cool, I didn't know that. I got the Glow SPF little balm stick because I thought it was cool, and I had the points to get something extra. And then the deodorant that I use. Love this stuff. And then I guess I got some Olaplex bonding oil for free. So that's cool. Amazon candle making kit. Blood testing kit. Talk about that later. Double-sided tape so I can put my mirrors back on the wall. Replacement soft tip Apple pencil tips because mine is worn down. And wicks. Candle wicks. Yeah. Cool. And these were not Amazon Prime buys. Unfortunately, I bought these the day after Prime Day. Okay. Target. Clean up stuff because my 4-year-old Yorkie that knows better continues to pee in one spot near my couch. Some of it has splashed on the couch, and that needs to be handled because I can smell it. Then I got these for shits and giggles because they looked yummy. I opened this one in the car. It is yummy. And lastly, groceries. Yeah, those are all the things. And I'm going to put all this up. I'm going to chill for a bit. And then I'm going to try to do something productive. Yeah, sir wants to say hi. He's scratching me. Come here. Say hi, friends. Say, Mommy didn't get me anything. And she tricked me by giving me treats I already had. And pretending to pull them out of the Target bag, so I thought I got something new.
Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is real.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is pissing me off. Like I can just feel my fucking mood just right now because the backs of the double-sided tape are giving me a hard time coming off. I messed up the first couple ones I put on. It's making a mess, and I know that I have to clean up after this. And my stomach hurts. So I'm just like real agitated at the moment. And then my iPad dies and my music cut off. And I don't know. I just feel like it's a buildup of frustrating things right now. But that ends right now. Everything is going to work out. My mood is going to get better. I'm going to drink my tea. My stomach is going to feel better. I am popping up at an event that I found online because I have been challenging myself to go explore this beautiful city, go do things, connect with people, network. Like I've been here going on 3 years now, and I got 2 friends and no community. So I'm working on that. It is a women's wellness manifestation thing. They're doing like yoni steams. I'm not going to get that today, but there's like some yoni steaming, a workshop, and I think there's like some sacred movement that's supposed to be going on too. So it looked interesting. It looks like the type of thing that I am into. So I said, fuck it. Let's get the ticket. Let's go. And now I'm here and I'm a little nervous, just a little bit. So Wish me luck.
On the start portion, we're going to focus on our Kegel exercises. Did everybody release their bladder? Elevator floors, and then you're going up, or starting going up. You're going up the elevator floors, and then you're going down floor by floor. So we're going to do that again, making sure that our posture is nice and aligned. Roll back those shoulders, get in alignment. Sit up nice and tall, chin up, chest up. Inhale. We're going to do a cleansing breath first. Inhale deep. Exhale, release. Negative limiting belief mindset that we were talking about. That's going to help get rid of that. The alfalfa brings in the wealth and abundance of green like money. So if you're manifesting money in particular, the alfalfa. And then we have some mint. So the mint is basically does the same thing. Yes, with the, it's very, yes, with the money. So the mint is also great for, cleansing the womb. It helps with the antibacterial properties and refreshes and rejuvenates. And then our rosemary. Rosemary is anti-spasmodic, so this helps with like cramp relief. If you're having like overstimulated periods and things like that, helps with that. And it also is a wealth manifestation herb. Because you're gonna like get your fingers in there, rub it all up nice and good, set your intentions. And wormwood.
Can't forget that.
Yes.